Hocus pocus, to heck with Just in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to make my party favorite pumpkin cheese ball. Ooh, they love it. Everybody, my sisters can't get enough of it. So, to start, we will take 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. I love cheddar cheese. And then the sauce of the underworld. I've been there, I like it. Put it in. To your heart's content, I happen to like it a lot. Then a little Worcestershire. About a teaspoon. Then we add in some cream cheese. And my favorite, lemon. Be careful if you have cuts, as the lid will burn you. But I'm already dead. I put in magic powder. What could it be, you say? Well, it could be for macaroni and cheese. Aren't I clever? Actually, I got it from online. This wonderful thing that's new. We didn't have it when I was young. Now, I'm going to make it into a ball. And put it in the refrigerator to let it chill back out. Now, I take some cheez-its. And I chop them up. These new machines make it so I don't have to do any magic. But I will use my magic to clean up. Here is my cooled off pumpkin. I'm going to take it and roll it around. This looks like a ball, but oh, I'm magic. You're going to take a rounded end, take a knuckle here to press in so your little pumpkin stem can fit. What is it? It's the end of a pepper. Then you just roll it again. Make sure it's in there good. Take this and make the lines in your pumpkin.
Here is my pumpkin, all ready for my little trick-or-treaters to come. I don't want to taste it because then they'll know. And it's poison. I snuck a little in. For this recipe and more, I guess go to www.justinthekitchen.com and subscribe to her YouTube, or I will hocus pocus you. Happy Halloween!